Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use duct tape. This will be a full tutorial with easy instructions, so let's get right into this video. As you can see right here, I have a simple roll of duct tape, okay? It comes in many different forms, but essentially it's the same thing. You're gonna get this really strong, really adhesive type of tape, okay? It's awesome. I love duct tape. I will buy 5 to 10 rolls at a time because I use it all the time for all sorts of stuff. Lots of stuff for my channel with regards to video making. Whenever I have to make a prop, I am always using duct tape. I'm just constantly using it for things. So I figured I'd make this video tutorial to show you how to use it. Now, essentially, it comes in different colors, but the most common color, the most popular color, in my opinion, is going to be the silver. But it does come in different colors and different patterns. I've seen it all sorts of ways. And it has this little mesh design, which makes it so strong. It's water resistant, which is fantastic, and it's super adhesive. Look at this. Look at this. Look. Like, it is literally, look at this. It's like ridiculously adhesive, okay? Now, how to use it is very simple. You start peeling it, right? You want to aggressively peel it off, because if you just lightly pull it, look, it's not going to happen. So you really got to give it an aggressive pull, and you can tear it. So the beautiful thing about duct tape is that you can tear it. So check this out. I can tear it this way. And look at how straight of a tear that was. Look at that. You can tear it this way because of the mesh design. Look at this. You can tear it smaller, okay? And then you can tear it to be even smaller. Look at this. And look at how straight that is, okay? So if you don't mind those little bit of crinkle cuts at the end, then you can tear it and it works really well. Now, when you stick it to something, okay, if you have a grip of it, it's easy to take off. If you don't have grip of it, if I was to stick this whole thing without having grip, it would be quite difficult to take off. You'd have to get the edge. I just realized it's not on camera. Sorry about that. You'd have to get the edge and then peel it off. Sorry about that. If you stick it and you don't have grip of the edge, you have to start peeling it from the edge like that because the adhesive is so strong. So I apologize. I thought that was on camera, but I realized the camera is pointing a bit upward. Now, in addition, if you want to get a perfectly straight cut, okay, if you want to get a nice straight cut, you can use scissors. When you use scissors, you will literally get, look at this, a perfectly straight cut. It cuts like paper, literally, okay? But it sticks like glue, okay? And it reacts like something that's water resistant. It's incredible. Now, the only thing is when you get it stuck together to itself, because it's so adhesive, because the adhesive is so strong, when you stick it to itself, it's going to be hard to fix that, right? So when you stick it to itself, because it's so strong, it won't let itself go. And even if you can get it off, it's probably not going to be the best. It's probably going to be all crinkled up and wrinkled up, right? As you can see right here, because the adhesive is so strong, when you stick it to itself, it's hard to get out. So, I mean, that's essentially how to use duct tape. You can use it to stick to anything, literally. This stuff, look at this. Look at how strong. This is ridiculous. How strong it is. Look, I'm dangling these scissors, trying to get them to fall off. They're not coming apart. But once again, when it sticks to itself, that's when it becomes a problem. This duct tape roll is very heavy. Look at this. It's a heavy roll of duct tape. Like, this is, I don't know, at least a pound, I think. I'm going to guess at least a pound. It's quite heavy, okay? And you can pull it right off like that. It is so strong. It is such a good type of tape. And I just wanted to do a how-to video on how to use it with regards to ripping it. So once again, you can peel it back like that. You can rip it. Sorry about that. I didn't get a good grip of that. You can rip it like that. You got to give it a good rip, okay? Because this stuff is strong. Or you can cut it. Whatever floats your boat, whatever works for you, that's what you got to do, because we rhyme all the time. All right, that's it. That's honestly it. That's how to use duct tape. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.